What's good, you guys? Welcome back to another video. I hope you are doing great. Like always, I'm in a good mood. I hope you are too. If not, I hope this video will make it better. Before we dive into the video, I want to thank Melodies for sponsoring this video. Melodies is a desktop app that helps producers get better on the keys, drums, and even pads. I've been using it for a while now, and I can definitely tell my keys got improved. It's just a really nice tool to get started if you don't know anything about how to play the piano, drums, or pads. One of my favorite lessons in Melodics is this one, Shimmer. It's super nice. I really enjoyed this soundtrack because I just like the groove of it and stuff. They're also doing a $1,000 giveaway to anyone that uses the promo code in the description, so make sure to go check it out. The link is right there. All right. I want to try and make a beat using the OP1. Let me just lower the camera real quick. I got this sound loaded up. Let's just add some extra attack to it. Yeah, that's better. Now it's not so clicky, so let's just record that in there. At first sight, everything seems on tempo. Let's just search for an other sound inside of the OP1. I'm going to add some effects in a minute, but I want to just keep on layering it. So let's search for another sound and then just proceed from there. So just get it. What I'm doing right now with this sound is just messing around with the EQing. If I dial this green up, it gets more digital. And I also got this ARP selected. You can also make it go faster. That's crazy. Make it a little bit softer. Last but not least, let's add these keys in there. Ooh, super wavy, super wavy. Okay, so now that we have the full melody, let's just add some drums to it and let's go crazy, bro. really too crazy, this beat. I really love the vibe. I really love the energy in the beat. Like something really smooth for like Drake, maybe like for his new album. That could be super fire. But this was something different. This tutorial show you how to make like a really smooth and dance wavy type of beat for Drake, all inside of FL Studio from scratch and using the OP1. So expect like more videos with the OP1. But I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you especially learned from this. If you did, don't forget to leave a like and a comment down below. Would appreciate it. Make sure to follow me on Instagram at SkanaBeats. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video, guys. Peace.